Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. Is this recording? I'm not sure. It looks like it is. I guess we're just going to run with it and hope for the best. All right. So, here is another checklist. Again, we're covering all these various, very simple step by step process maps for creators, authors, and entrepreneurs who want to create very tiny courses that make a huge impact in your life and hopefully in the world as an inspirational author and enlightened entrepreneur. I'm going to do all these within a two or 3 minute window, so you can download all these steps if you like at the link below. All right, this one here, we're using the Noted app, which I believe is only available for Mac and iOS, but I love the Noted app for the reasons below. But essentially, it is free. I pay for it. I think it's like $2 a month or something. It's really, really a fantastic studio for creators, for writers in particular, and audio, based content, which I tend to prefer. So, step one, you want to go to the Noted app and just download that for either your phone or Mac. Step number two is you're going to do what I'm doing right here, create a list of bullet points that you're going to cover. It's really important, finite focus, like have a very specific, kind of topic and target, bite-sized, bingeable bullet points, tiny products that make a big impact, right? You're not trying to data dump all of your niche knowledge or everything that you know in one place. Just keep it really simple and you can scale later. All right, speak the content into the Noted app. They have two different ways of recording content actually that I use anyway. They may have more that I don't know about, but I record content that is then transcribed, right? So the content like this, let's say that I'd be recording into my phone rather than the way I'm doing it here, would be automatically transcribed on the fly. And that gives you a ready, to sort of edit PDF that's pretty close to, the whatever the software algorithm, whatever it is, the text or the audio to text transcription is really high quality, which means you're going to make very few edits to the content itself. You're not going to have a lot of like mistakes. You may have to take out uhs and ums. I tend to do a lot of that. So, that is the only edit that I generally need to make. And then you're going to take that transcription and export that to a PDF, which happens natively within the app. There's an export to PDF. You can dress up the PDF if you want. You can beautify it aesthetically, etc. I tend to do that. I mean, I use Canva or whatever, but people don't really care that much. I mean, you can actually just take the PDF that you've exported from the app itself, and that's good enough, right? The next step here is optional, but I tend to do it. I record another audio like this one here, which is a higher level overview of what the content, course, or product is. I introduce myself, more about my work, our community, what we're up to in the world, and other opportunities to interact with our brand, our platform, etc., which currently is a tinybookabout.com. This is our new project for 2023 and beyond. All right, the next step here is you want to upload the audio and the PDF, or just the PDF that you exported from Noted, to your LMS of choice, right? If you're using Gumroad, this works, Podia, Lemon Squeezy, WooCommerce, Shopify, any of those sorts of e-commerce platforms. Don't overthink that. People tend to get wrapped around the axle of worrying, if there's a perfect platform for them. There's not. Just pick one that allows you to kind of get the magic of momentum behind you. This step here is really important, and people tend to, kind of drop the ball here, but this is really, really critical. And, cheekily, I call this reefer madness, refer madness, but essentially you want to find professional peers, niche neighbors who can become incentivized evangelists for your products and platform. Just ask the question over and over again: who has my audience? Who owns, in quotes, the eyeballs or the mind space in my niche, market, vertical, or industry? And then you simply want to reach out and build rapport with those people. And then, there's reciprocity here. You can also offer to do the same thing for them in return. So essentially, you're offering these folks the ability to promote your new content, your course, your cohort, your product, to their audience in exchange for an affiliate commission. And the easiest way of doing both of those things right now is using Lemon Squeezy, which is right here. And the reason, I mean, Gumroad does the same thing, but Lemon Squeezy has a really nice and very aesthetically easy to understand affiliate portal now, as of April of 2023. I'm recording this on the 9th of May. But essentially, you can just go through all the folks who you can essentially have folks reach out to you, to sign up for your affiliate program. I have that every day or every couple days. I get somebody sends a request to become an affiliate for us. But you can also simply just go through all the stores on Lemon Squeezy and then find folks who are in your niche, vertical market, industry, locality, etc., and then just reach out to them and let them know that you have a product that may be an ideal fit for their audience. All right, don't overcomplicate it. The pursuit of perfection is the enemy of achieving anything at all. I'm often guilty of this. Don't make the same mistake. Think tiny products that make a big impact, not this sort of huge product that's going to take you tons of time to actually publish in the world, right? Start small, think scale. You can do one of these tiny products a day, and in 30 days, your life, your impact, and your enthusiasm for your business will be completely transformed. All right. This here could be a single product. Actually, it's going to be a single product. I'm going to give it away. I'm not charging for this, but this is an example of something that's taking me 10 minutes and a simple checklist to create. And you can do the same thing. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Come create with us. A Tiny Book About is our new startup. I'm very excited about it. Lots of big changes are coming to our platform in the next 30 days or so. And this is really an exciting time to, if you're a creator or an author or aspiring maker or entrepreneur, I would invite you to reach out and join us, because I will help you create products that make a big difference in your life. Okie doke. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. And if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.